Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the ESPN Fantasy Sports game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ESPN Fantasy website. Now from this page, click on create account and you will be taken into the sign up page. Just type in your preferred email address that you wish to use for signing up and then click on the continue button. You will now be asked to enter your first and your last name. Type in both of these and then enter your desired password. After entering your password, click on the agree and continue button. And now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check the inbox of the email address that you just used and you will find this verification code. Just enter this code within the given box and then click on continue. And now you will be logged in to your newly created account on ESPN Fantasy Sports right away. You can now start creating your league and get on with your drafts and matches. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.